unlocking the mysteries of quantum computing. Dive into the world of quantum physics, where atoms and subatomic particles rule. Quantum computing is our passport to this realm. Imagine computers processing information 1,000,000 times faster than today's supercomputers. That's what quantum computing promises. Traditional computers use bits, but quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. These qubits exist in multiple states simultaneously, increasing computational power. Quantum computers are not just faster. They can solve complex problems that are currently beyond our reach. Quantum computing could revolutionize industries, such as healthcare, finance, and logistics. However, building quantum computers is a delicate and challenging task. Despite the challenges, tech giants like IBM and Google are investing heavily in quantum computing. The quantum revolution is on the horizon. Join us on this journey to understand quantum computing. Together, we will explore how it can shape our future.